Alright, so ordered another one off of Amazon, and so I was buying these from Santan Solar until they gave me a hard time. But this is a 40 amp charge controller from EPEVER, and it's from the PAL MR store, and it says it comes with all this other stuff. And I think that they actually are the ones that have a lot to do with that company. So I'm gonna put a link on this because this is like the best deal I've seen. Like, it was like $146 for the charge controller, the meter, the USB cable, and all this other stuff. And I got it in 2 days. So the box is different than what I would normally see for my other tracers. But if they are the ones that are actually at manufacturing the EPEVERs, oh yeah, see, look at that, that's nice. So, let's see, make sure you guys can see that well. Let me take the camera off here. Yeah. So, I mean, for like a little bit more than you'd pay to get from Santan Solar, you're going to get all this and stuff, and this is going to show you everything all at once. These are usually $30, which kind of sucks, because I got several of these controllers. That's the temperature sensor. I'm not going to use it. I'll just use the one that's built in. But I'm guessing that I probably don't have a built-in one, because normally they give you just a little one that plugs in. This is like 13 bucks right here. So this is nice. This is what I really, I already know the charge controllers are good unless you get one that's not made right. So you can mount this, and then I think it just pops out, but you can mount it to whatever you want. And so that's pretty damn cool. Oh, they give you all kinds of stuff. Nice. So it's usually just an RJ45 cable. Yeah, so that's cool. So let's see here. But definitely for the price, I mean, this is just a smoking deal. So I'll put a link to this, and you guys can help out my channel, and then I can do more videos and buy more junk. So anyway, we already know what an EPEVER 40 amp charge controller looks like, but just for the sake of finishing this video, we will move this over here, put this here. So they all look like this when you open them. Normally there would be a little temperature sensor right here. Let's see if they gave it to me. Cool. So you just plug this in to the front, or you could use that one. And if you want to monitor the temperature of your battery, then that's very cool, but for me it'd be a little bit more difficult. So, just looks like all of them. So that's where the temperature sensor goes, right here. And then there's your COM port. Let me, just because somebody might be watching this that doesn't know about these, let me turn my flash on. So, the connectors aren't too bad on these. The biggest downside on these is that these screws, they're kind of like overly chromed. And you really need to use a flat blade screwdriver. It's got to be small enough to fit in there. Otherwise, if you're not careful, you'll booger them up. And they're just not particularly good. They're pretty cheap. So you don't want to, change them a lot and fiddle fart around with them a lot. So anyway, I decided to do a quick, deal on here. And I mean, it's just such a good price. So I wish I would have bought these originally this way.